show you a really nice way to create a glossary for any text that you have, or a mini booklet, or a mini novel that you might use in your Spanish classroom, or that you're creating for your FVR. We recently published a small reader about Colombia, the store versus the country. Playing off of the hashtag It's Colombia, Not Colombia, the social media campaign. But this booklet on the inside cover has a glossary, and we're going to show you how to make one for your own texts. And it's really easy. What we're going to start with is in Microsoft Word with the text itself. We're going to select all, and we're going to make sure that it's all lowercase. And Control C or Command C to copy that. And we're going to go to a website that is called textfixer.com. And when you select Text Tools at the top, you have the alphabetical order tool. So we're going to open that one up. And when we scroll down, we're going to remove duplicates, we're going to remove punctuation, and we're going to Command V to paste our text. Click to alphabetize, and it's going to show up at the bottom here. So now we're just going to go to copy this and put it in our PowerPoint where our glossary is going to be, and I'm going to paste that as a text box on the page, and I'm going to just change the font so it's smaller so we can work with it. And I'm just going to go and after each thing, I'm going to put a return, so it's on a new line for every word. And then I can go back in and add the definitions. Any word that I want to define, I can do that. So we just are going to type in the translation. And I want to make sure I remember the context of what that word was for those words that have multiple meanings, so that the students are finding the accurate definition. So I'm going to keep on doing that for every single word until I have every single one I want. Now you will notice sometimes they do, if it has a punctuation with it, sometimes that's going to show up, so obviously I don't need to put it in twice. Some words that I don't really need to put a definition for, I'm just going to delete those, or if it's their names or things like that. But I do want to put as many definitions of words in that I can. We might think our students know these words, but we want to err on the side of caution. I think that's a quote I heard from Blaine Ray. I think it's a great thing because some of our students, they maybe have seen the word, maybe they've heard it quite a lot in class, but as they're reading, they might have forgotten it, or they're just not fully sure what the word means. If it's in the glossary, they can find it. If the student doesn't need it, well, they're not going to look in the glossary. So there's no time lost on them, but for the students that need it, we've just made the text more comprehensible for them. So that's why I think it's really important to put a glossary in these texts that we write. So once I've got that done, I'm set. So textfixer.com and alphabetize your story. And now you've got a way to make a glossary. We hope that helps you. You can find more tips on our channel, Spanish Plans, or on our blog, SpanishPlans.org. Thanks. See you next time.